Hello friends, how are you? So welcome back to my YouTube channel PC and Windows with another interesting and new video of PC settings. So in this new video we are going to discuss a very important and interesting topic about PC settings. So watch the video till end and you will be really like this video because this video will be help you a lot. So this is the second part of repair Windows setup files. So in the first video I have guide about you how can you repair Windows files with DISM. So in this video I will guide you that how can you fix installation files with SFC. So to use SFC to repair corrupted system files on Windows 10, use these steps. Just go to the start, click on start and type here command prompt. So as command prompt is showing here, just open it and type the following command prompt command to repair the installation and press enter. So I am copying the code for repair. Just copy and then paste it in command prompt. This is the way to repair Windows setup files with command prompt by using SFC. So once you complete the steps, the tool should be able to fix any problem affecting performance. You can check this guide with the more details on using the system file checker tool, including the setup to view scan details, repair individual files and perform an offline system repair. Hope so you have understand. If this video helped you a little, just like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out our other videos about PC settings. Thanks for watching.